I'll be up in a minute! Alright. It has been a long time. Ever since the last time I ran into one of these. Alexa, play Celestial.
Here's Celestial by Ed Sheeran on Amazon Music.
You see, tonight it could go either way. Hearts balanced on a razor blade. We are designed to love and break, then to rinse and repeat it all again. I get stuck when the world's too loud and things don't look up when you're going down. I know your arms are reaching out.
Tonight we're gonna draw Litteralope.
You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million.
One of the extraterrestrial beings from Darwin 4. They defend themselves using their upper heads. Basically, they're like bulls. And they're fast runners.
See the light shining through the rain. 1,000 colors in a brighter shade. Needed to rise from the lowest place. There's a silver lining that surrounds the gray. When I get lost, will it come back around? Things don't look up when you're going down. Know your arms, they are reaching out from somewhere beyond the clouds. You make me feel like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You
I got
make
it.
me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial. We were made to be nothing more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we notice, that's what really matters. Let's make tonight go on and on and on. You make me feel we were made to be nothing
There we go.
more than this, finding magic in all the smallest things. The way we
Here's the long humps on his back.
Like my troubled heart is a million miles away. You make me feel like I'm drunk on stars and we're dancing out into space. Celestial.
There we are. There's his foot. I meant his back. Alexa, play No Limit.
Here's No Limit Remix by Jeezy
Alexa,
featuring
play No Limit by Silver Storm.
No Limit from Fairy Tale by Silver Storm on Amazon Music.
And finished. That is how you draw Litteralopes from Alien Planet. This one goes out to Discovery Channel. And after it debuted on Saturday, May 14th, I don't know what year it was released on. Maybe we'll find out soon. Alexa, what year was Alien Planet released on?
The film Alien Planet was released on May 14th, 2005.
Well, that's something. Glad we figured that out. Anyhow, there he is. That's all for now. Good night, guys.